Hi guys, my name is Tina, and in this video I'm quickly going to show you guys how to install your WhatsApp autoresponder without a watermark. As we all know, when you try to install WhatsApp autoresponder from the Play Store, it usually comes with a watermark. Unless you have the money to pay for it, then you won't get the watermark, okay? But if you're not ready to pay for it yet and you want it for free, stick with me on this video where I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can install your WhatsApp autoresponder without a watermark. Alright, now let's go there. All you need to do is click on your Chrome browser where you search for autoresponder for WhatsApp. Now watch me step by step how I do this. Alright, so all you need to search for is autoresponder okay, autoresponder for WhatsApp. Are you see what I'm doing for WhatsApp? Alright, now you're going to add pro, that is PRO, and then APK. You see what I'm doing here? Autoresponder for WhatsApp, PRO, and then APK. This is what you're going to search for. Now let's go. It's loading. So what I want you to click on is this first one, which is autoresponder for all. This first one is what I would like you to click on. Okay, let me show you. You click on this first one. Yeah, alright. You guys seen it? You click on it. Now let's wait for it to load. You bring it to something like this where you scroll down. You keep scrolling down, scroll down. Now block this. Now scroll down until you see something like this. Here it is. Download autoresponder. Are you here with me? Now click on it. Yeah, very good. It has brought us here. Okay, now you're going to see a whole lot of ads before you get here. All you need to do is just remove the ad. You don't need them. Okay, when you find yourself here, what you want to do is click on this one, download autoresponder for WhatsApp. This one at the middle is what you're going to download. All right, now let's click on it. Let's remove this. Wait for it to load. So as we can see right here is downloading. As you can see, it's downloading here. Alright. What we need to do is hold on for it to download. Good. It is done downloading, and what you want to click is open. Let's click on this open right here. Can you see? And click on it. Okay, now so what I want to do is click on install. So we're going to click on install. It's installing. Can you see it installing right now? It is done installing, and what you want to do is click on done. Done. Alright, now you go back to your phone and you are going to find, let's go back to our phone and see. Can you see it's moving the file? Can you see our autoresponder here? Yeah, sorry, it's here. Good. So in case you don't know how to use it, watch out for my next video where I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to set up your message on autoresponder. Just watch out for the next video, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up so this YouTube can share this video to more people who need videos like this. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe. See you in another video. Bye.